The Korser Swivel Rocker Recliner offers unmatched relaxation with its 360-degree swivel and smooth rocking capabilities, allowing the backrest to tilt up to 165 degrees for personalized comfort. Crafted from chenille fabric, this recliner provides a plush and comfortable surface, supported by high-density sponges that ensure long-term comfort without fatigue. Built with a sturdy wooden frame and reinforced iron construction, this recliner is designed for safety and durability, enduring daily use while maintaining its shape over time. Ideal for small spaces, the Korser Recliner serves multiple purposes, from being a nursery chair to an RV recliner, making it a versatile addition to any room. The recliner is easy to assemble with all necessary components and clear instructions, allowing users to set it up in just 5 minutes. With stylish armrests and convenient side pockets, this recliner combines elegance with functionality, enhancing your living space effortlessly.